video, we'll show you how to copy your Cloud Sound Therapy from your Windows machine over to your player. So this starts out in your email. You'll receive an email that says Cloud Sound Therapy assessed at light speed. And this is the second email you'll receive. And down at the bottom here, you are going to find these download links. So we use the .wav files for almost everything now. And what you do is you just highlight, you can copy that, and then you'll open that up inside of your web browser. If your email allows you to click on the link, you can click it as well, but we're just paste it in here. I'm going to do a paste and go, and that'll initiate the download of my audio link here. And you just click OK. This will take a few minutes. It depends on your connection speed, how quickly this will download. I'm getting notification from my Cloud Sound Therapy app. This app will also just automatically sync your program. What we're doing is a manual download so that we can copy this over to the audio player. So I'm going to speed this up in the video here. And now the download is complete, so we're going to open that location of the file. You can click on this folder right here to the right and it'll locate where that download went to. And now you can just copy and paste this. So I plugged my player in here and it popped up as a USB drive. And so when we copy this file, I just right clicked and click copy. Now I'll go over to this PC and I'll double click on that USB drive. And then I'm going to paste this file into all of my folders. So I'll put it into the AM, the PM, and the deep sleep. And the reason we do this is to allow you to have exposure to your personal program no matter what series of folders you have playing at the time. And so if you're listening to deep sleep or you're listening to AM, you'll periodically get those frequencies that are personalized to you. You know, whether you have a vowel program or an affirmation, you'll have that continuous energetic support playing in the background. And then if you want to meditate with it, you can just select the audio track inside of any of those folders and then utilize your headphone or your speaker. Just remember, if you're using the M3K Player by FAO, you're going to have to remove that chip and reinsert it for these programs to show up on your player, even though they're showing up on the disc here. It's sort of a quirk that you have to remove and reinsert that chip on your audio player. So we're just going to confirm that these programs copied over correctly and that they're in all of these folders. And once we've verified that, we can just remove the player and you'll be ready to go.